Hi guys, welcome to our third episode.
Yes, third episode it is. Where we're gonna talk about. We're gonna reminisce.
Yes, we will. We're gonna talk about how it was when we were still dating, yeah?
Yes, and to you daters out there, this episode is for you.
Beware.
Enggak gitu dong. Kan masa krokodil.
So, okay.
So we're gonna change the way we do things. Before we look at the questions, now what we're gonna do is
We're gonna have
our team
someone
is
shout
gonna
it out.
Shout it out. We have Miss Garcia right there who's gonna shout it out for us, and Mr. Tobing. Yeah.
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 Okay,
Yeah.
mungkin before she shouts it out at us, like, how would you, in one word, describe your dating life?
How? In one word?
Yes.
In
Or
one
maybe
word.
two, boleh lah.
2 words. Exhilarating.
Exhilarating.
Yes.
Wow, was it like that adventurous atau gimana ceritanya?
Yeah, because but when we're dating kan,
Bukan, it doesn't need to be with me. Just
oh.
on a whole.
On a whole, my dating life, I don't think inexperienced. I think that will be the word because I only legitimately dated 2 people my whole life.
Oh, it was me and me, right?
No.
Any
Aduh.
other personality?
Yeah. Kalau for me, it was random and chaotic.
I can vouch. For that. I can vouch for that.
Okay.
That's 2 words. That's cheating. That's actually
No, it's either 1 or 2 words.
Oh.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Random or chaotic?
Random or chaotic. So it's an option. Okay.
So we have 2 different spheres of
Right.
dating life.
In
yeah.
dating life. Because the thing is, I didn't know that dating was hard. Like maksudnya misalnya finding a date, I see
Ih,
people.
gaya.
Karena cuma 2 mau apa?
Oh, kirain mau date dari mana juga bisa. Aduh. Sarya Surya Saputra.
Surya Pro 16. Itu. Ini inside joke nih. Buat yang nggak ngerti, tolong dicek Instagramnya Asti.
Duduk di sini.
Di sini.
Ngedit.
Yeah.
Boleh. Okay, so we go to the first question.
Okay, we're gonna start off with, is this a date or not?
Oh.
How do you know when it's really a date or when it's just a hangout?
Okay.
Holy shit! How do you know when it's really
Okay.
a date?
From a girl standpoint, yang paling gampang tuh kalau diajak dinner.
Dinner tuh pasti date.
Biasanya pasti date. Jarang kalau temen, dinner yuk. Gitu, jarang. Mungkin coffee, yes. Like lunch mungkin. Gitu. Tapi kalau udah dinner tuh kayaknya, ya legit sih date gitu.
I think the girls are overestimating their
Ya,
themselves.
mungkin juga sih.
I was gonna say, what about like times like nowadays kan the hustle life in Jakarta.
Uh-huh.
You don't have any time, right?
Right.
You work from morning to
Bisanya
night. And then the
malam.
only time that's your
Right.
free is
Ya,
nighttime.
could be.
Tapi juga maybe kalau dinner ya mungkin dia nggak punya temen aja gitu kan?
Sedih dong.
Iya nggak punya temen aja terus yang nggak punya temen aja terus ya udah makan yuk gitu kan?
Oke,
Bisa
oke.
juga gitu kan bukan date gitu
Oke.
kan?
Terus berarti apa lagi? What makes it a
What makes
legit
it a date? What makes it a date? What makes it a date or it's just a hangout?
Like berarti kan you are not in the date yet gitu kan.
Yeah,
You're
no.
just trying to figure out like you get a call, kita kesini yuk gitu. Is it a date or
I
not?
think unless you know that the guy has interest on you, because I think you can sense it from a mile away, right?
Right.
I
I
mean,
think always consider that the first time kalau baru kenal ya, consider that it's not a date. So it's a
Right.
friend thing. Jadi you're also not nervous about it.
Right. So and also there's no strings attached, right? If I don't like you, I don't like you. If
Unless you match on a dating app gitu.
right. If you match on a dating
Ya
app,
udah
you know,
lah
right,
ya.
Your tujuan kan ke sana
Ya,
gitu
ya,
kan.
Has that ever happened to you guys?
We were born and raised in an era
Different
of
era.
non-dating apps, right?
Yeah, no, I didn't mean the dating apps. Like, you were going somewhere and then you realize halfway through, oh, this is a date, or you realize halfway through, oh wait, this is not a date.
I think that would happen more to the girls more than to the guys, right? Because the guys usually initiate, right?
Yeah, it did.
Usually,
And it feels bad when you realize, oh crap, this is a date ya. I don't know. What?
This is what happened.
The thing is, the guy is really nice gitu kan. Tapi kan I consider the person a friend,
Okay.
you know. So mungkin juga it's also the assholiness of me, just like, oh yeah, you know, like he's a friend, but he buys me, you know, like gifts.
Keep it coming, bitches.
Yeah, or but he like, you know, he would like treat me to lunch or whatever gitu. But we're friends gitu. Mungkin in the back of my mind sebenarnya udah tahu ini kayaknya this guy likes me gitu kan. Tapi just because yeah, let's ride it out. I like the attention. I'm in between boyfriends maybe gitu, or like, you know. Tapi terus like one time we were just going out for a meal or something. Terus abis itu lagi pas ngobrol-ngobrol di mobil tuh kok tambah lama kok tambah tatapannya mulai berubah gitu kan. And then
Kamu nggak serem orang begini-begini?
yeah, I know. And then you're as a girl, you're like trying to okay. Terus kayak mungkin terus mulai ditanya-tanya gitu.
Jadi gini ya, cewek-cewek, kayaknya kalau sampai ada cowok yang suka bayarin kalian mulu, bayarin makan, bayarin ini, antara dia ada maunya, mau macarin, kalau nggak dia kasihan, iba. Jadi jangan diterima.
Gitu. So most probably, I guess to begin with, kalau cewek, mungkin boundaries juga harus jelas, nggak juga susah juga ya.
Susah menurutku,
udahlah
karena
ya.
kan when the guy initiates or because a lot of times I doubt that a guy and a girl can be stoic friends,
Okay.
just stoic friends.
Explain that.
So cuman bisa jadi cuman temen doang without any attraction whatsoever, without going through a phase of attraction.
I know, it's the Barney rule.
Apa tuh?
The
What is the Barney rule?
The mermaid or manatee rule. Jadi at one time, if you're friends with a guy or with a girl gitu ya, if a guy is friends with a girl, in one time of their relationship, that girl or that guy can turn into a mermaid. Tiba-tiba
Okay.
satu saat kok kelihatannya, oh kok menarik ya
Betul.
gitu. Tapi kalau if you just let it ride, they will turn into a manatee
Tapi
again.
dia dugong. Bahasa Indonesia dugong bener loh, Meneti.
Benar.
Sapi laut.
Benar. Jadi memang be wary lah kalau you're friends with the opposite sex, ada kemungkinan itu terjadi gitu ya.
Betul.
Tapi untuk to sum it up, how do you know that a date is a date? Is
You don't know whether. I don't think you know. I don't think you know a date is a date or until it becomes clear and certain that there are certain intentions
Yeah.
in asking you out, gitu kan?
Yeah.
Sampai ada benar gerakan-gerakan menuju suatu hal yang lebih gitu
Yeah,
kan? Unless, other than that, I think treat it as
friends
friendship.
aja dulu, betul. Always friends first.
Who do you think should be paying on a first date?
Okay.
I think it's the guy. I think it's the guy, or at least try your darnest to. I don't know. I'm old school that way. I mean, just
Yeah.
I think it's the guy. Just
Yeah, I
jadi
agree.
kalau sampai mampunya segitu ya nggak usah sok-sokan.
Bet-
Yang lebih juga gitu.
Karena kalau gini ya, maksudnya kalau dari awal misalnya the guy likes this girl gitu kan, terus kayaknya pengen treat her very much, that takes her somewhere yang above his reach gitu kan, akhirnya kan jadi kayak udah setting the bar gitu, udah jadinya nanti kesannya jadi ribet nggak sih kalau memang itu buat dia sebenarnya susah, jadinya pinjol gitu akhirnya.
Betul.
Iya, jadinya kan kalau misalnya
Di atas
dia-
kemampuannya,
di atas kemampuan,
gitu kan.
akhirnya jadi
Tapi bukan berarti you don't need to try to impress ya. Bukan berusaha untuk give the best gitu. Enggak. Tapi nggak usah.
Tapi
Ja-
on our first date tuh kita kan pertama kan bukan date kan. Like for the longest time tuh we didn't say that it's a date.
We never said that it's a date, right?
It's never a date, yeah. So
It just progresses.
Right.
Just progresses to
become a date.
become something yang lebih intimate kan?
Awalnya coffee, nggak
Coffee,
nggak date.
coffee siang.
Who paid? Do you remember?
Oh, dude. Siapa ya? I remember what you ordered.
Apa?
You ordered coffee and escargot.
So keren banget.
Gua-
Okay,
oh.
something lah.
No, I was like pikir, Prancis ini ya, perapatan Ciamis. No, I was like, I was like, wah nongkrong kopi makannya bekicot kan? Iya kan?
Sisa paling bekicot.
I remember
yeah,
I just
yeah,
had
yeah.
coffee. I just had coffee.
Yeah. But it wasn't like expensive.
No. It
extravagant.
was just somewhere in the mall.
Yeah.
Nothing. But we get drunk a lot though.
Aduh, okay.
And that was
Beep.
expensive.
We can kind of cut it out.
Why?
Okay. Nggak apa-apa ya.
Apa-apa.
Ya tapi waktu bukan drunk.
Tapi bukan date juga. Waktu misalnya we go
Yeah.
clubbing, itu kan juga bukan date.
We're
Ada
friends.
teman-temannya dia gitu kan.
Jadi kayak gantian aja kan bayarnya.
Pokoknya iya, misalnya minum kebanyakan, terus she pays after gitu.
Yeah.
Cuman ya, I think that's part of the quality that I go like, she's pretty independent, which is cool gitu.
Yeah, I think especially if you want to go serious with someone, if you see the potential, lebih lagi nggak sih you want to, kalau for me sih, mungkin orang beda kali ya. Kalau for me tuh malah kayaknya, no, I want to show that, I can actually pay for myself juga.
Betul, tapi I think juga the dates kan come after we realize that we're into each other.
Iya, benar.
Baru it becomes a date gitu
yeah.
kan. Before ya PDKT aja kan.
Iya.
Ya kalau sama-sama mau ya alhamdulillah gitu kan.
Iya.
Okay. What are some first date red flags and green flags?
I know. Red flags. If she keeps talking about herself.
Always going to say the same thing.
Iya kan?
Yeah.
Aww.
Have you had this happen?
I have a lot of friends who are very insecure and actually just talks about themselves all the
Really?
time.
Like
Guys.
what? Give us an example of
So-
actual like monologue.
So you just sense it when they are just waiting for their turn to speak. So they don't listen. They go like, gue kemarin begini-gini loh. Tapi gue tuh like, I don't give a fuck about you, bro. Gitu.
It actually happened to me on a date. Once.
Kebanyakan gitu kayaknya.
Jadi-
Dan cuman kayaknya kebanyakan cowok lebih begitu kan?
Wah, gila banget sih.
Cowok kan kayaknya lebih pengen didengar, bukan lebih pengen dengar ya.
Bukan.
Pengen
Pengen tampil.
kelihatan
Iya.
seperti sesuatu gitu kan.
Iya, jadi like we were on an actual dinner date gitu kan. Terus usually kalau on dates kan, you would want it to be both ways, right? You would say something and then you would ask the other person. You would listen to you, would respond to it. I mean, like a natural, normal conversation.
Right.
But this dude, from the get-go, he would talk about his job, all of his like what he does for fun. Itu jadi kayak lagi ngasih tahu CV gitu.
Iya, kayak interview kerjaan kan. Iya, benar.
Yeah, and then maksudnya you would start to like say something about yourself. Yeah, he would listen for like maybe 3 minutes and then go again to his monologue.
Iya, just waiting for his turn to speak. Just waiting for, this is my turn. I'm gonna say something else that doesn't involve what you just told me.
Okay, so talking about
I think
themselves too much.
I think that's a red flag. The green flag is, well, if she's hot, then it's green flag for sure. I mean, that's the first thing you see. And then after that, baru personality-nya gimana kan? Iya dong.
Yeah.
Are we going about it the way that Barney does?
What?
The hotter you are, the crazier you are.
Yeah, I can agree with you.
The hotter you are,
The crazier you
no,
are.
I don't think so. I don't think so. The hotter you are, the crazier you are.
The hotter you are. Tapi you were one of, tapi that could be true. Kayaknya kalau for in my eyes ya, you are the exception, not the rule. The
What do you
fact that you look good, tapi you're grounded. Itu jarang banget lagi. Iya kan? Iya nggak sih? Jarang nggak sih? Kayaknya,
I get that, yes, I agree.
Yeah, kan?
I do agree.
Because maybe I think if your only asset is looking good, then you can be ungrounded because that's the only asset you have. You get what I'm saying?
betul, tapi
So
jarang.
you're only banking on looking good.
Ya,
It's like the light is on but nobody's home kind of thing.
iya. Jadi jarang yang grounded, look good juga.
Yeah.
Betul. By the way, talking about that, do you know that Asia Carrera actually has a high IQ? The porn star?
Nah,
150 something.
I don't know who that is.
Same.
itu different
Different
generation.
generation. Buat yang nonton tahu, ketahuan lo nonton apa dulu ya.
Vivid Interactive.
Yeah, back in the days when porn was still in DVDs. So we scroll through a Facebook video dan ternyata ya salah satunya Reese Witherspoon, Natalie Portman,
Natalie Portman
high
is
IQ.
very
Who else? Dolph Lundgren.
finally a action movie star back in the days.
Back in the days. Sama salah satunya Asia Carrera. Asia Carrera is a big porn star back in the days. Her IQ is north of 150. I know. It's
Yeah.
crazy. Okay, that's talking about brains and beauty.
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
that's fine.
Flashing is also a red flag for me.
What do you mean flashing? Showing your dick?
Bukan dong, kayak misalnya,
I have a Rolex, I have this, I
ya,
have
or
that,
name
gitu.
dropping terus.
Oh, gue kenal si ini.
Iya.
Gitu. Oh, itu mah temen gue gitu.
Itu kayaknya for me,
Iya,
oke,
iya, iya, iya.
gitu.
Iya. Cuman kan,
Harus banget ya.
ya cowok-cowok belajar ya. Jadi nggak usah gitu-gitu banget.
Iya. Oke,
Nggak kebanyakan cowok-cowok kan yang gitu kan?
cowok-cowok yang begitu
Enggak sih, ceweknya juga ya, sama aja.
tergantung.
Nggak juga.
Iya,
Tapi different.
Different ways.
Different way.
iya, different ways, benar.
Green ones for Masti.
Green flags for me would be apa ya, humility, I guess. Asking questions and listening. Okay. I guess it would work for anyone ya. Anybody who actually listen to you would be, and then terus ask questions, and then karena dengan begitu you can see juga their level of intelligence, you know.
Yes.
Whether or not they can, no matter what you're talking about, terus mereka listen walaupun they don't understand mungkin that particular thing in your life that you like, tapi they ask questions and then they try to relate to it. Nah, I think
So that they understand more.
Yes.
That means they show interest
Yes.
in what you're. Yes. Sorry, the green flag also not just hot, tapi witty. I think it's a green flag.
yes, and also
Green flag.
and
Green
also
flag.
and also
What?
hygiene.
What hygiene? What do you mean?
Oh, that's real.
What do you mean? What do you guys mean hygiene?
Real.
Hygiene, kadang-kadang tuh orang suka nggak merhatiin loh. But us as women, as girls, we notice. Misalnya nih,
Bentar. Tapi nggak mungkin dong. Ngedate terus kukunya hitam-hitam gitu nggak mungkin.
mungkin.
It's real.
Masa?
Mungkin.
It's real.
Udah lama ya kayaknya dia nggak ke dentist gitu.
Yes.
Iya kan? Iya kan?
Yes.
I mean, how are you supposed that we should kiss you with that teeth, man? Gitu.
That is
You're
very
right.
true.
I-
Or they show up with like pit stains, and you're just like, sir.
Iya,
You
iya.
show with pit stains.
Iya.
Jadi keteknya kuning-kuning gitu.
Yeah.
Iya.
Iya, tapi hygiene ya, makes sense.
Hygiene.
Okay, that's a green flag.
Mungkin kayak
Okay,
bulu
guys, the standards are way lowered here. So you just be hygienic, right?
I vulgar juga.
bulu hidung.
Iya. Cukuran paling enggak ya.
Iya
Namanya kan
dong.
Mau ngedate ya.
Mau ngedate
Mau
kan?
ngedate, bener,
Please
bener,
lah,
bener,
make
bener.
some effort, dress nicely, shower, put on perfume.
Betul. Ya kalau udah kawin
Not
mah
too
udah
much.
urusan lah ntar
Nggak, kalau udah kawin pasti bakal dirawat sama istrinya. Yakin.
betul.
If their relationship is any good,
betul.
pasti nggak akan dibiarkan tuh suami keluar rumah, sayang, ganti baju. Pasti gitu.
Betul. Kalau nggak, sayang aku udah bikinin kamu appointment ke dokter gigi ya.
Iya.
Gitu kan.
Udah, itu mah gampang.
Bangke gue jadi conscious.
Okay, next.
Okay, next. Okay, so Asti asked the question from one word. Can you describe what your dating life was like? Now, what kind of dater were you?
What kind of dater was I?
Yeah, like a serial dater, like
Guilty.
those that believe like if we date we get married.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, you believe in soulmates, or
Oh.
is it? Oh, I don't believe in labels.
Yeah.
I'm the looking for sex dater. When I was dating? Yeah, of course. You just want to get into someone's pants. I think guys are gonna be hypocritical if you say that is not one of your objectives.
Iya sih, tapi maksudnya that's not your only objective,
No,
right?
for sure. I mean, you have to first, to me, when you look for someone to date, for sure, is she attractive to you? Terus, is she witty? And maksudnya, it's like, misalnya you're playing tennis, you want someone to be able to rally with you, right? You don't want someone to lu pukul terus, cung, ya nggak balik bolanya gitu kan? So you want someone to be smart, tapi of course, other than that, pasti ada sexual intentions nggak sih dating?
Ya, tapi nggak juga dong. Ada kan yang bener-bener kayak, oke, Gue tuh pokoknya rencananya 1 tahun lagi udah menikah.
Ah, itu bukan saya.
Iya kan? Ada kan yang kayak gitu kan?
Tapi kan
Ada yang
pertanyaannya kan kita apa?
Oh, iya, iya,
Kalau kita apa kan? Kalau kita sih I think
So for you, instead of
looking for for comfort relationship, having a pacar gitu
Oh,
kan?
itu.
Iya, iya.
Tapi kalau for me, I'm a serial dater.
What do you mean?
I hardly ever go a period of time without a boyfriend. Waktu when I was dating ya. Jadi kayak jedanya tuh paling lama tuh as long as I can remember is 3 months.
Oh, jadi mobil masih jalan, kamu udah lompat gitu.
Iya. Ini kayaknya
Kayaknya
mobilnya-
kapal mau karam nih, let's go kita jalan gitu.
Cari kapal lain.
Iya.
Jadi nggak mendarat.
Iya,
Makanya
iya.
mama kamu mendaratnya susah waktu itu kan.
Betul.
Kan?
Betul.
Karena
dia-
lama terombang-ambing.
Terombang-ambing, betul.
Oh my lord. Okay. So, what were you guys' dating strategies at the time?
Dating strategies.
What do you mean strategies?
Like, how did you go
Yeah.
about it? Like, how would you like? You know how like Joey and Friends goes like, how you do it?
Oh, I don't have any. I don't.
It's just your natural charm.
I know. No, it's just I don't think it's ever, because the thing is you're dealing with people, right?
Yeah.
People you're interested with. There can be no one way. There can be no one pickup line that
Right.
actually becomes a go-to silver bullet, right? You have to show interest. You have to, if it evolves to something more, it evolves to something more gitu kan. With my now wife kan, oh your hands are cold. Oh yeah, they're cold gitu kan. Tapi kan nggak mungkin ke semua cewek terus gue, hey, is your hand cold? That's gotta be stupid, right?
Yeah, I think kalau for me, I do have kind of a strategy.
How?
I would categorize the guys for within like 3 different categories.
Apa aja?
Maybe 3. Well, we'll see.
Bastards?
Yang satu are just the ones that you're just gonna have fun with.
Okay.
Kayak you let them pay for your drinks, you let them pay for your food, but you know that's not gonna go anywhere.
Kamu gunakan.
Ya.
Oke.
Ini waktu zaman dulu ya,
Ya,
waktu masih dating ya.
ya.
Terus yang satu kalau dating yang memang kayaknya
Ada prospek,
potential.
Ada prospek, ya.
Potential. Itu jadi kalau itu kita
Yang ketiga returning customer. Situ dating apa? Situ dating apa BO?
Oh my god.
tapi itu ada betulnya. Sometimes you wanna keep the people yang udah pernah datang dan pergi kalau sampai lagi bosen gitu.
Oh iya. Iya
nggak sih? Iya kan?
Sedia payung sebelum hujan.
Jadi
ya.
kalau misalnya you
Iya,
feel
iya,
bad about yourself, from misalnya you just dated someone who was really awful gitu kan.
Iya.
Ya udah you just call up this guy yang
Yeah,
memang
yeah,
udah tahu,
yeah.
you know, you're like you have a good click, tapi you
Yeah.
know it's probably not going anywhere, tapi ya udahlah gitu.
Tapi guys, sekali lagi disclaimer ya, we're not justifying any of the things that we
Yes,
did.
yes.
It's just being honest, being brutally honest about dating.
Betul. Tapi memang kalau misalnya going from where what you're saying, dari sekian banyak strategi mungkin sebenarnya in the end of the day kan what you want is to find someone that truly understand and accepts you in the end of the day. If
Yes.
you're being truly honest.
And those strategies will not find you that.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Tapi we're not, but we're still in the middle of the conversation here.
Right.
I
Okay.
do have a strategy.
Oh, what is your strategy?
What is your
Fritz?
strategy?
I always go for I categorize, but I don't categorize like that. I
Okay.
categorize by I read the guy. I'm like, does this guy want a cutesy girl? Or want a nonchalant girl?
Oh, so you would-
So you become what
Yeah, I
what
become
they
what they
you
want.
become what they want.
Ah.
Which one were you with me?
Coba,
You-
jadi
you
kalau
are weird, I couldn't tell. You said you like
Yes.
something, and then the next time, and then the girls you like don't match what you say you like. So yeah, I
I'm an
find.
anomaly.
I think kalau cutesy you go like that gitu all the time.
No, kalau cutesy, kalau cutesy.
Gila. Dikira gila.
Yeah. Although you don't
Oh,
gitu.
actually, I don't do
Yeah,
that. Actually, I know
yeah.
better than that.
Right.
Or the funny one is like I'll like joke around with like
Yeah. So you become what you think he likes.
Yeah.
Oke.
Yeah.
Tapi you know what is the
Tapi kayaknya for guys juga banyak kan gitu gak sih? A lot of times kan
Ah.
cowok-cowok kan put up a facade to be liked by the girl, right? Iya dong. Until a certain point, then the true colors come out gitu kan?
Yeah.
Kayak cowok kan pasti begitu juga kan?
semua orang kayaknya
Sama
gitu.
aja. Semua orang kayaknya
Almost
begitu.
almost everyone. Ada yang enggak, tapi
Yes,
almost
yes, yes.
everyone.
I think a lot of people, yeah.
Ya.
Apa lagi?
Yeah. Actually, speaking of a facade that fades away, how honest do you think you should be early on
Oh.
before
wow.
you officially like are dating?
I think-
Actually going on dates, getting to know each other.
I think it really depends on the stage of the dating. Like, are you official? Are you going to be a couple? Are you going to be a thing? Are you not? Or,
Kayaknya juga it depends on what you are seeking when you go into the date.
yes.
Iya nggak
Are you
sih?
seeking a serious relationship? Are you just seeking to have fun?
Yeah.
There are a lot of different things. So I think if you're just seeking to have fun, who cares about honesty, right?
Ya, tapi kalau okay, since in the beginning of our begitu kita mulai the first time we ever went out, like we had
Right.
coffee, tapi memang we were in that stage of life ya.
We were in the stage of life that we were thinking nggak mungkin relationship tuh cuman gini-gini aja. Jadi we want something more than what we had back then.
Right.
Jadi akhirnya we are brutally honest
Ya.
from the get-go.
Karena both of us have gone through not so good relationships.
Betul.
Di mana yang kayaknya tuh, and then also me coming from a background of parents yang mungkin juga tidak utuh. Tapi and I was questioning apakah betul this is all relationship is about.
Betul.
Gak ada, kok rasanya harusnya ada ya gitu.
Harusnya ada sesuatu yang lebih gitu
Iya.
kan. Betul. Jadi I guess it really depends on from person to person karena standarnya nggak bisa sama. Standarnya nggak bisa sama. Yang pengen dicapai juga nggak bisa sama kan?
Tapi when okay, if you are actually wanting to go to find something more meaningful, berarti so how honest or how open are you? Do you have to be?
I think you should be very honest with your vision and mission. Bukan vision and mission. I think you should be really honest to what you're looking for to each other. You should be really brutally honest to what you're looking for. See, if I'm looking for marriage, yeah, I'm looking for marriage. If I'm looking for just want to have fun, you just want to have fun. I think you should be really honest about
With the
that.
other person
Tapi
juga ya, soalnya
about-
nggak fair juga ya.
Betul.
kalau nggak.
Tapi about your baggage, you can gauge kan?
Ya.
You can gauge when should I say this? Is this? Cuman harus honest.
Iya, bener-bener.
Karena honesty kan apa ya? Sesuatu yang I think even until now there are new things that I knew about you gitu kan?
Ya.
Even after berapa belas tahun gitu kan? Honesty tuh bukan developed ya. Apa namanya ya? Honesty tuh it's continuous.
Ya.
It's never just a one-time thing gitu.
Right. Tapi memang kalau lagi ngedate berarti jangan nggak usah juga semuanya langsung ditumpah
Ditumpahin,
ruahkan
bener,
ya.
bener.
Kemarin gua habis sakiti
Betul.
2.500 laki-laki gitu juga jangan kan.
Itu di demo atau gimana? Udah 500 laki-laki. Demo buruh.
karena you need to get to know each other.
Betul.
You know, slowly, step by step. Gitu.
Yeah, and I think you should also give the other party a chance to
Talk.
say, iyalah.
About themselves juga.
Iyalah.
Not just
Not just blah gitu kan.
numpang-tumpah ya.
Heeh.
Yeah.
Verbal diarrhea.
Okay.
Okay. From that, we're moving on. Well, you guys are talking about how, like, in your time, you guys didn't really use dating apps, kan?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Since we're talking about honesty, kan, in dating apps, there's so many times where, like, people fake their height,
Yeah.
use fake photos,
Yeah.
Right.
like Facetune,
Right.
blah, blah, blah. What do you think about love at first text? Do you believe that?
Love at first text.
Yeah, kan, on dating apps.
Oh,
you
dating
can
apps.
talk.
Yes.
Yeah. What do you think of that? Like, do you think it's a great way to meet someone? Do you think it's what are your
My
thoughts?
personal opinion.
Yeah, you guys. Just
Okay, don't judge me on this, right? My personal opinion, I think it's a load of bullcrap.
Oh, dating apps?
No.
Atau-
Love at first text.
Oh.
Explain.
Because the thing is, I understand if it's lust at first text.
Okay.
I can understand that. But love to me is more than just, oh, he's hot. I can spend the rest of my life with him. No, love is actually jumping into a pool that you know down there is going to be very beautiful, but there might be shit floating around, there might be some things. It's a decision. It's a decision to
So you're not saying don't bring up love, the word love or the notion of love too quickly.
right.
Di awal.
It's not it's not love. It's more insecurities at first text. I need someone to deem me beautiful, someone to deem me worthy enough. It's lust at first text. Oh, she's super hot, kind of thing. Iya dong. Nggak, I don't believe in love at first text, first sight. I don't believe it. I believe in lust at first sight. Yes, for sure.
Yeah, tapi talking about dating someone from a dating app ya, actually quite recently, I met a couple yang memang sukses. Mereka dari dating app sampai sakingnya mereka berasa bahwa ih kita sukses ya gitu. Dia sampai pengen bilang di weddingnya bahwa kita ketemunya di dating app. Cuman we're like okay maybe we'll like say that you guys met online gitu nanti daripada keluarga kalian heart attack ya. Gitu.
Tapi kan bukan soal love at first sight gitu kan, bukan soal love at first text berarti kan.
Yeah, tapi I do believe that you need to also watch how you text the other person when you have kalau memang ada intentions, iya.
Wow, I don't know. I guess I'm not the best person to talk about this because I don't text. Yes, when I was dating, the dating apps were available already, but I've never owned one.
Iya, tapi maksudnya kalau in the sense of texting kan we did text when we were dating.
Betul.
And I really appreciate the fact that misalnya if I was going home on my own, you text me, gimana udah sampai rumah gitu.
Iya. Cuma kan bukan love at first text ya.
Enggak. Tapi those things too make me go, oh, he cares gitu.
Yeah, I'm not opposed to texting. Cuman kalau love at first text.
Mungkin itu kali mungkin ya. Like I think that is more of the question. Like how can you?
Coy, gue minta kopi gue dong, coy.
You're falling asleep.
No. I just want to have a drink or something.
Does it matter how I answered your texts back then?
Iya dong.
Pernah nggak kamu ketemu yang iya kenapa atau pernah nggak yang ketemu yang opposed of it?
Opposed of what?
Maksudnya bukan opposed, yang like the opposite. Gini amat sih orang.
Enggak, I never.
Oh, enggak.
Kan kalau cowok kan lebih gue kejar aja gimana cara sampai dapet kan? Itu kan lebih nggak. Oh, berarti kalau dia belas begini, what should I do to actually get her to like me gitu kan?
Right,
kan lebih begitu.
So do you believe in texting chemistry? Like you need to have chemistry with someone and how you guys text in order for it to
No.
I think it's a different generation now ya.
Yes.
I mean you guys talks through emojis gitu, which something that we don't get at all. I'm like, what? I mean, how can you make sure the other person think of a picture of an emoji the same way that you do
I
gitu
think
loh.
when we're talking about texting, we're a dinosaur.
Yeah.
Ooh, I want Chloe here.
I know.
You're not texters at all.
I'm not a texter. I'm not a
I think
texter.
We relate more to you guys. I think.
Yeah, I don't.
Yeah.
I don't really get it.
No, because we understand. Kemarin tuh baru ada kasus ya, yang maksudnya bukan kasus. We hear of like one of the Gen Zs getting upset because I guess the other person that texted bukan Gen Z, mungkin millennial ya, and they don't see the importance of it gitu. Dia textnya tuh pakai all caps. And then they got so offended. Don't yell at us gitu. Yeah, I guess so. It's a different generation.
I think it's a different generation, but I think that one particular person is just soft. Whatever.
I think they're just new when it comes to
Maybe.
dealing with that situation.
Yes, I think that's more gracious. I
Okay.
like that.
But yeah, I think that's true. Okay, even though you guys are not texters, maybe you guys can have an opinion on the 3-day text rule. Do you think it's dead? Do you think like
3-day text. You need to
Yeah.
text the person.
3 days after.
So that's really funny because there's a controversial take on this. Some people believe you shouldn't text until after 3 days so you don't seem too eager.
Okay.
But then
yeah.
other side thinks that if you don't text within 3 days, it means you don't want to continue do anything
Right.
with this person.
Right.
You're basically ghosting them.
Right.
So what are your takes on that?
Oh man.
I don't think there is a rule. You can't make a rule for it because you can text 5-6 days after and still sound cheap. It doesn't matter gitu.
I think for the 3-day texting, I think if you really like someone, why really wait gitu loh?
Yeah,
Maksudnya,
we're because the thing is when we started dating, when we started going out, we were tethered to our phone.
iya.
Almost like we
You-
were.
you
We were.
And I like the fact that he doesn't make me wait gitu kan. He just kind of text me right away kalau
Iya, emang suka kok. Gimana lagi
iya,
gitu kan?
iya.
Ngapain di
Ngapain ditahan-tahan sih? Silent machine aja.
ngapain di why I think the problem with dating, is there are so many ideal rules right now that
No, I think if the guy or the girl that you're seeing sees this as like, like a 3-day rule or whatever, they see it as important, run away.
iya.
Yeah, kan? There's gonna be too much things. I don't know. What do you guys think? What are the dating green flags, red flags that you've experienced as well?
We might be wrong. In your case, we might be wrong,
Yeah.
but to us, I don't believe in that.
So what would you say? 'Cause I've heard of like a situation where they went on a date or whatever, and then the guy's a really bad texter, and the girl likes texting, and then she takes it as him not being interested. But when they're in person, like he's like really attentive, he's really active. But when they're not in person and they're texting,
Are
he's
they
like,
in a relationship?
No, they're like in the stages of going on
Oh.
dating. Tapi the guy is like he's always like very very clear like I'm not good at texting. I don't like texting. But when they're in person, it's like he's really active.
Yeah, I think that's where ego comes to play. I think if you like someone that much, you would sacrifice stuffs.
Not
Even though I'm not a good texter, I will try. Hey, this is the darnest that I can try.
Yeah.
If you go like, this is just me, accept me for the way I am, I think run away.
Yes.
Because I don't think any relationship is gonna work because this is who I am. Accept me the way I am.
I don't. Yeah. I
don't
no
think-
relationship
I
is
don't
gonna
think
work
it's gonna
out that way.
Yeah.
It's gonna fail miserably if any of the party within that relationship thinks that way.
It doesn't mean that you cannot have an identity. And no, not
Yeah.
that. Cuman you can't be defined by I'm a bad texter, I'm a good texter. If I'm a bad texter and this relationship means more to me than being a bad texter, then I will try my darnest to be a better texter, right?
Yeah. Yeah, because I think the moment I met you and why I think the relationship worked was because just previously I realized what of an big of an a-hole I was gitu loh.
How?
Yeah, maksudnya before I met you too I realized I am not a very good person yet. Before I always thought that
Okay.
I'm the best gitu kan.
Right,
Tapi
right.
ternyata begitu udah sadar bahwa I'm not the best, I'm
Right.
not the best person gitu. I
Right.
want to learn how to be better. I want to learn akhirnya it makes a relationship with that person more viable.
Right.
Well,
I guess that's it.
yeah, I guess that's it.
For
Maybe,
this.
maybe some encouraging words to those who are
Dating and
Dating.
looking.
Dating.
or wanting to date. Maybe they're not dating yet.
Yes.
I really believe that it's not about finding the right person, it's about being the right person. Like the thing is when you want to find the right person and you don't become the right person, then you're going to keep looking for someone that matches all the qualifications of hoops that you have to jump yang mungkin kita sendiri nggak bisa jump through it gitu.
Right.
We might not be able to do it gitu. We're
Yeah.
creating an ideal in our head that
Yeah.
it has to be this, and that. But when you become the right person and the other party wants to become the right person as well, then you're gonna match gitu. Then you're gonna
So in in layman terms, baby girl, baby boy, you do what you gotta do to be the best version of you. Just keep growing. It's okay. Don't even worry too much about becoming a certain type of person for that person.
Right.
Because alike attracts alike.
Right. And akhirnya kalau sampai you become the right person and she doesn't want you, he doesn't want you, yeah, they're lost.
Yeah, you just become a healthy person. You become someone who is strong, courageous, and
Grounded.
Grounded, yeah.
Grounded, yeah.
With humility. Yes, that's it. All right.
All right, she's messy.
And your couch.
I'll see you next week. Oh, well, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
Oh, yeah, you're
please. Please.
We love you.
Okay. Oh, good.
How was that?
It was good. I changed the flow a bit because I felt like
That's all right.
I followed the
That's
flow
all right.
there.
That's all right. That's totally all right. All good.